Simplifying complex object construction with the Builder Design Pattern in .NET. Imagine crafting complex objects in .NET, like a painter blending colors to create a masterpiece. That's the Builder Design Pattern. This creational pattern is unique, not confining products to a common interface. It offers flexibility in the construction process. By separating construction from representation, it turns the creation of intricate objects into an art form. With the Builder Design Pattern, the construction process is standardized, yet the outcomes can be diverse. It involves a series of steps, meticulously building towards the final product, ensuring precision and customization. This approach not only simplifies the development process but also enhances code maintainability and readability. Embrace the Builder Design Pattern, where the power of creation is in your hands, enabling endless possibilities.